Hello friends, today we will learn 20 lines on rainy season. So let's start. The rainy season brings relief from the heat. It comes in summer. During this period, the sky is often cloudy. It's common to see puddles on roads and in yards. Rainy days are perfect for staying indoors. Children love playing in the rain. Rain brings life to plants and trees. Farmers rely on rain for their crops. The sounds of raindrops is soothing. Rainy season can also cause flooding. We need to be careful during heavy rain. Raincoats and umbrellas keep us dry. The rain washes away pollution. Rainy season is a time for renewal. The rain cools down the temperature. It's a great time to stay indoors and read. Rainy season has its own charm. We enjoy the rain in different ways. Every living thing on this earth gets new life by getting rainwater. The rainy season is a beautiful part of the year. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.